Hi, in India, if someone's fundamental rights are violated, or if a government officer, police officer, or any court refuses to perform their duty, the most effective remedy is to directly approach the court and have writs issued. Let's start with habeas corpus. This is used when a person has been illegally detained or when the police takes someone into custody without giving any proper reason. The writ of habeas corpus simply means to produce a body, meaning the person must be presented before the court. Any relative, any friend, or anyone concerned about the detained person can use this writ. It is not necessary that only a close relative can do so, anyone can do it. Now let's move on to the second writ. If police officer, government official, or lower court refuses to perform their duty, for example, if you need to register an FIR in a case, but the police officer refuses to do so, then the writ of Mandamus comes into play. It simply means we command. In this case, the higher court or the Supreme Court orders these officers or the court to perform their duty. The third writ is prohibition. If a lower court or tribunal does not have the power or jurisdiction to hear a specific case and you want to stop them from hearing that case, then the writ of prohibition is used. It means to forbid. In this case, the High Court or the Supreme Court stops the lower court or tribunal, telling them not to proceed with that particular case. However, if the matter has already progressed and a court or tribunal has exceeded its limits by starting to hear the case and even giving a decision, and if while giving a decision the court does not follow the principles of natural justice or misuses its power, then the writ of Certiorari, which means to be certified, is used to correct the error done. In such a case, the High Court or the Supreme Court cancels the incorrect decision of the lower court. The writ of prohibition is used to prevent the lower court from hearing the case. Therefore, it is called a preventive remedy. And if a judgment has already been given, and you need a correction in it, then the writ of certiorari is used. That is why it is called a corrective remedy. So, it's about prevention and cure. Finally, there is the writ of Quo Warranto, in which the court asks by what authority are you holding that office, and if the appointment is illegal, the person has to immediately vacate the post. So these are the 5 writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, Quo Warranto. So this is it for today. Thank you.